Welcome back everyone, and now our left part that we have left in the previous one are the types. So let's study the types that we are having of operating system. Well, my handwriting is not that bad, right? Okay, just bragging. Okay, let's see that what are the types of operating system. The first type of operating system is called as batch, B-A-T-C-H. The second one that we are having is time sharing. Time sharing. The third type is distributed. Distributed. Well, if you are very good in English, or if you are English teacher, you definitely have noticed the mistake that I have written the small t, right? Okay, that's very good. Now the network. Well, I used to talk with you while I'm teaching just to show you that it's not boring. We can have the fun even with the factual stuff. The even next one is the real time. The sixth one is let's say it is multiprocessing. Multiprocessing. If you're feeling that this is too much, that is completely okay. It's too much for everyone. You just have to read that out again and again, revise the few things, that's it. You do not need to cram it. You need to by heart it. And I'm not saying that repeating it again and again will going to help you to by heart it. But when you study all these things, when you know all its functions, every one of that, you will definitely know what it is. Even though you do not remember all the time, but when anyone says, like when I am writing network, the entire network type of the operating system is right in front of my eyes. I can see, I can imagine that what it was, how much I have studied in that, what I understood better, what I do not understood better, how it function, everything. That is what your engineering brain must work like. Okay, with that one, there's single user. Single user. The eighth one is multi-user. If something is single user, there must be something that is multi-user. You might remember the multi-user that we are using in the mainframe microcomputer and obviously in the supercomputer. Now the next one is the embedded. And the final one that I have kept here is the cluster. These are the types. Actually, not just types, these are the names, just the names. These are just the names of the operating system. Batch, time sharing, distributed network, real time, multiprocessing, single user, multi-user, embedded, cluster. That's it. These are just the names. Just repeat the names 2-3 times and you understand that what these types actually mean by the intuition. Like the single user, a single person is using that. Multi-user, so many people are using it in the very same time. Network, it might be connected, it is connecting so many CPUs. Real time, it is giving us the real time data like the analog one. Batch, it is reporting us in the batches, in the groups. You can say time sharing, it is sharing the time, like the time sharing works in the mainframe and the microcomputers. So this is the way we can think of few things even without knowing a single word about that, just by the name of it. That is the true intuition, and that makes you a true engineer, my friend. Okay, so now in the next one we are going to see that what are the applications of the operating system. Why not in this one? Well, because that is just to wrap the previous class. So stick with me, stay tuned, God bless, and see you in the next one.